Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers. This is Hello IT World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to set default browser. So first of all we will work with the Microsoft Edge software that I have been pinned in my taskbar. So here I will click here. We can go or enter from this page. Here we will press the three dot icon, click here, and here the settings option. I will go see, I am coming in this here. Now here the default browser. See, make Microsoft Edge your default browser. So here and in the above, no, sorry, below there have lots of things. That's BR, lots of things. Also we can click here the make default. So click here. See, here we will enter the settings option. Under the apps there have the three sections: default apps, then Microsoft Edge. So click here, and we will enter from the search option. Here I will click and go to the apps. See, so when we click the apps, as because it is Microsoft Edge one kinds of apps, so we will click from the direct apps, then settings, then we will enter the things. Otherwise we can, if you don't mind that what is that, what is this, so we can write exactly on the settings. See the settings, see the setting system we enter, it is opening. See here, so this is the apps. Here multiple modules have. I will click the apps. See, here have installed app. In this criteria we can do the uninstall and manage apps, or different things. Here the advanced apps settings. See here the third option, default apps. We here what have criteria in this bearing. So defaults for file and link types and other defaults. So click here. See, we have reached this position, or from the Microsoft Edge page, from with this we can get from the in this way. It can be directly we can say here the default browser. See, from this, see, we'll go to this here. Now we can write the Microsoft Edge, EDGE. See, here nothing, as because we haven't select. So we will here the say defaults for application. Here we will search. So first we copy and we will do the paste. See the thing. So we will go to the arrow option here, or this tab we can click. So here make Microsoft Edge your default browser. See, when I click this, see the thing has been here. So all the things has been paired the default thing. So what have here as HTML, here have PDF, HTML, here .svg, web p, x, lots of things, whatever have been opened, and that should be via Microsoft Edge browser. Now we will do the Mozilla Firefox. So in this way we can, so of this we can go from direct here the three bar icons, delay settings. Here the see here Firefox is not your default, so when I do make it from here currently, this can do easily from here. But I want to do the settings option. Here the settings option and the apps, default apps. When we write Mozilla, they couldn't find anything, set defaults application. So we will cite the manual that have also, see CC here. Oh, only Firefox. That is not the Mozilla Firefox. So when I click see here also I can set this. So in this way the thing has been settings. See HTML lots of thing has been here. Now I will do the settings option Google Chrome. See here, go to Google Chrome, press here, go to the settings. Where the settings option here, where have customize set default browser. See here, so also we can make it from here. See when we do or go to, see when we click from the here, so directly it come this page. What page? Make Google Chrome your default browser. See, so I can click the set. See, few second, within a second the all thing has been changed. See few which have been settings here, that thing has been here. So in this way we can do this thing. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.